Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I do a ton of work in my kitchen and it always seems like I'm constantly wiping my hands to try to get to my cell phone. This great stand from Doboli has alleviated that problem and lets me keep my cell phone always ready to use in the kitchen. The stand is a durable stand and it has a nice ledge on the end so that the phone stays put once you put it in there. Because of the flat surface, the stand does not waver or move around, but rather it just stays right wherever you want it on your counter. I also really like this stand because not only can you put your phone, but it's sturdy enough to hold your tablet. So you really will have nice, great support for your devices in whatever area you choose to use this. I really like it in the kitchen because I can easily check recipes or answer the phone, and I know that my phone is always in one place, and it's always in a nice safe place as well. Don't have to worry about food getting into the phone or device or water. The stand is fully adjustable, so you can raise or lower it slightly, and it also swivels, so you can adjust it and have it facing a different direction if that makes it easier for viewing. I also like the ledge on the bottom because you can put your charger cord right up in the middle. That way you can always have your phone charged as needed. This is such a handy little tool for your kitchen area or work area. You can even put it at your desk. I really love how easy it is to use, and it's such a simple thing, but it's a great tool to have in your home for your devices. But that's my point of view.